Whoa, ho, ho! Happy New Year, everybody. 2021. Took a little ride out this morning. Nobody's out. Stopped at the wash bay, so we're going to give the Evo the first wash of the new year. Got to get this nasty salt off here because this shit got nasty from the last snowstorm. I don't drive this car in the snow really, but when the powder comes out and it's fresh and there's no sand and salt in it, then it's a good time. But all the overspray and shit off the road seems to stick to this thing, especially since it's black. It's just nasty. So we're gonna clean this thing up right now. Let's go get this thing going. So I don't normally use these things because this gets a little sketchy. You never know who's scrubbing what with that thing, and I'm not trying to scrub this thing down and scratch the shit out of it. So brought this stuff today. Microfiber Industries wash mitts, microfiber towels, got my own chamois, some sealer. Let's fire this thing up.
They tried to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the skulls with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. And no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. I have to forget my old set way of life. I go to prison or die by the night. I hear the sirens, they are closing in. Such a fast car starts to spin.
Alright, she's all washed and clean. No more salt. It's a little chilly out here today. So we're fighting the GoPro right now because I forgot to charge it last night. But we're gonna drive this thing off real fast and then get this sealer on there.
They tried to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the skulls with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out.
Alright guys, so as a last minute decision, after thoroughly drying the car, I decided I'm not going to put the sealer today. Well, here we are, back at the garage. That didn't go as planned. My own negligence, I forgot to charge the GoPro and it died on me right at the end of the wash. So, of course, I made the decision not to put the sealer on it just because it could use a good clay bar first, and I did have intention to do a paint correction on this car, so I'm just going to hold off on that for now. We'll make another video once that detail happens, probably in the next month or so. But she's all clean, nice and clean, tucked away back in the garage. No more snow. I just realized that I haven't introduced this car to the channel yet, so that will be the next video that we do. We'll be introducing my Evo 8. I recently bought this car in August, and I think this is the last one that I'm gonna buy. I've had a few of these, and they are getting harder and harder to find, especially in exceptional condition. So I will definitely have to make a video and show you guys this car and explain how I got it, how I found it, and that's that. So thank you for watching. If you like this channel, subscribe, share it, hit the like button if you like Evos, and we'll have another video soon. I'm gonna try to do a video a week, so at least it's something. Keep moving. So happy New Year's everyone, and we'll see you on the next one.